Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by checking compatibility and updates, because outdated iOS breaks provisioning. Go to Settings General About to confirm model and iOS. Update if needed. Next, sign into your Apple ID and connect to Wi-Fi so activation can reach carrier servers. Have the carrier QR code or activation code handy, or open the carrier app. These are required to add a plan. Once done, you're ready to add the ESIM directly in settings without delay. You proceed to add the ESIM by navigating to Settings Cellular Add Cellular Plan. Scan the carrier QR code, or if given, tap Enter Details manually and paste the SMDP Plus address and activation code. This tells your iPhone where to download the profile. Once the plan appears, label it Work, Personal, and set default voice and data preferences so calls and texts route correctly. Make sure to toggle the line on. If it stalls, restart the phone and repeat these steps. You finish by restarting the iPhone to finalize provisioning. This often clears temporary registration issues. Check for signal bars and the carrier name under Cellular. Make a test call and use mobile data. If activation fails, reset network settings to clear conflicts, then re-add the ESIM. As a final troubleshooting tip, contact your carrier and provide the ESIM IXID or activation code. They can push provisioning or reissue the QR. If that doesn't work, visit an authorized store to confirm account provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.